How to fix iOS 18.1 update failed error. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the iOS 18.1 update failed error and get your iPhone running the latest software. Let's jump in. First, ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Avoid using cellular data for software updates. Free up storage space. Open Settings. Scroll down and go to General. Tap on iPhone storage. Delete unnecessary files or apps if your storage is full. Reset network settings. Swipe back to General. Scroll down to Transfer and Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Reset network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi networks, so reconnect to Wi-Fi after resetting. Check battery level. Ensure your battery is above 50% or connect your iPhone to a charger during the update. Check Apple's server status. Visit Apple's System Status page to ensure their servers are up. If the servers are down, wait and try again later. Restart your iPhone. Hold down the power and volume button until you see the slider. Slide to power off and restart your phone after a few seconds. And there you have it. Several ways to fix the iOS 18.1 update failed error. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.